In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make Wix website fit all screens 2026 guide. We're going to make sure your Wix site looks clean and professional on any device, from phones to large monitors. The process is simple. Open your site in the Wix editor, switch to the mobile view to fine-tune how everything stacks, then return to desktop view and ensure sections stretch neatly to the full width. Start by opening your site in the Wix editor. Give the page a second to load all sections and elements so you can see how your layout is currently behaving. Think of this as your baseline. If you're working with strips, galleries, or large background images, take a quick mental note of what should remain prominent across devices. Now, switch to the mobile view using the mobile icon on the right side of the editor. This view shows how your content stacks on smaller screens. In mobile, less is more. Drag and align elements so they're centered, and keep important content within the safe margins to avoid anything hugging the edges. If a text box wraps awkwardly, slightly reduce the font size, or widen the element so lines break naturally. For images and galleries, set them to stretch within their container so they don't leave gaps. Make sure buttons are large enough to tap comfortably and spaced far enough from other elements to avoid mistaps. If an element is purely decorative and crowds the layout, consider hiding it on mobile to keep the design clean and scannable. As you work, scroll through the entire page, including the header and footer, confirming that sections have consistent spacing and nothing overlaps. Your goal here is a layout that feels balanced and readable on any phone size. When the mobile layout feels right, switch back to the desktop view. Here, you'll ensure everything fits the screen neatly by using full-width sections where appropriate. Select strips, galleries, or background sections, and enable full width or stretch, so they expand edge to edge on larger displays without leaving awkward margins. For content areas meant for reading, keep a comfortable max width and center them so lines don't become too long. Adjust section heights so there aren't large empty spaces, and make sure background images are set to cover, maintaining visual impact without cropping essential parts. That's it. By refining the mobile view first, and then confirming full-width design on desktop, your Wix site will scale smoothly and look polished on all screens. Take a final pass through your pages to keep that consistency, and you're ready to impress visitors.